Hi there. Want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become a vendor in just a few minutes. Part 2. Once you approved, go to Jalil.store. On the top menu, My Account. You can directly go to your dashboard or set up your store before going to dashboard. In this page, you can see your store name. Choose your logo. We recommend WebP format, then choose your store banner. It can be a video or static image or a slider. You can set different banners for desktop users and your mobile users. You can choose store list, banner. It can be a video or static image. Write a short description, describe your brand and your store, which is the about part of your store. Select your store name position. You can hide your about part and your privacy part for your users. Then hit Save button. Next, select location part. You can change your address from this part, then hit Save button. Then you need to set up your payment method, which is an important part. We will send your earned money to this account. You have two options, PayPal and bank transfer. After fill in the form, hit the Save button. Next, you need to set up shipping method. If you don't know how to set up this part, you can send us an email to support@Jalil.store, and we will set up it for you. First, enable the shipping. Then choose the processing time. You have different shipping method options, shipping by country, by zone, by weight, and by distance. You can choose based on your store and product type. If you choose by country, you can set price to each county. You can get the cost from the post company that you work with. If you choose by zone, which we recommended, you can set a price to each zone based on your country, and shipping costs to that zone. It is better to put a flat rate, and for the cost, choose the average price to that zone. You can set a minimum order quantity to offer a free shipping to the users. Then after setting up everything, hit the Save button. For the SEO part, if you are familiar to SEO, you can do it yourself. Otherwise, our team will set up all these SEO parts for your store. Next, write your policies, or you can use the marketplace default policies, but we recommend to set it based on your own store policies. Then hit the Save button.